Hello everyone and welcome into the CAC and ME guys. So in the last session we are discussing about the node creation, so we will continue from node creations. So first two options we have discussed. The third option which is available is if you want to create a node at arc center, then you will go for this particular option. So first you have to select the lines, then you will just click on the create option and you will see a center of a circle arc center will be created. That's it. Again we will go to the node option and now we will use this particular option. Let's suppose you want to create a node on a line with equal spacing. You want to create a number of nodes with unequal spacing, then you will go for this option, extract on a line. So first you have to tell the Hypermesh how many number of nodes you want to create. So let's suppose I want to create 7 number of nodes on this particular line. Okay. Now I will select the bias intensity as 0. What does it mean? All the 7 nodes will be created which is having equal spacing. Let's suppose you want to create a node with a bias intensity of a 10%. Then you will go and select the bias intensity as a 10%, reject the previous operation and click on the create, and you will see now the distance between the two nodes is different for all the 5 cases, all the 6 cases. You will see the distance between the first and the second node is different, second to third, third to fourth, fourth to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7 is different. That means we have applied the bias intensity as a 10%. So this is the first way of creating a node by using extract on a line. Similarly, you can create a node as in an exponential manner. So now I will select the bias style as exponential, and now I will select the line on which I want to create a node and just click on the create option, and you will see the nodes, 7 number of nodes are created in an exponential manner. You can compare the difference between the linear and exponential. Similarly, the third option which is available, just select the line. Okay, so I will select this line, number of node I will take it as a 5, and the third option which is available is a bell curve. So you want to create a nodes in a bell curve pattern with a bias intensity of 10%, just click on the create and you will see node will be created in a bell curve. So that's it for today. In the next session we will continue from the rest 2 options which are remaining for the node creation. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, share and subscribe our channel.